Amanda was a little firecracker who did not give a damn. She was sassy, outspoken, and loved trouble.
You can always rely on Tyler to be a friend, to be a brother. He doesn't hold any grudges, he just wants to have a good time. And no matter what, he'll have your back.
Tyler, you've shown a new world to my sister, and I will be forever grateful. Thank you for getting her out of the house. Amanda is very good at being comfortable. And Tyler, you took her out of her comfort zone. Together, they love to make an adventure a good time. Like that time they went hiking in the snow and Amanda hated him for it. But then he pulled out a diamond ring and it was all great.
So here's to Tyler and his beautiful wife Amanda. Let's raise a glass and celebrate this very special evening when two wonderful people became one. A marriage of love, inspiration, dreams and goals, and most importantly, a marriage of two kindred spirits.
Sitting here eating my heart out, waiting for some lover to call. Dialed about 1,000 numbers lately, almost rang the phone off the